Welcome to this complete Cebu, Philippines travel guide. Cebu, a gem in the heart of the Philippines, is a melting pot of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Imagine a place where the old world blends seamlessly with the new, where centuries-old churches stand proud amidst modern skyscrapers. Envision a city buzzing with life, where the locals' warm smiles are as captivating as the stunning sunsets. Picture an island paradise where the turquoise sea meets the azure sky and the pristine white sand beaches stretch as far as the eye can see. From the historic Basilica del Santo Niño to the mesmerizing Taoist temple, from the bustling metropolis to the tranquil shores of Mactan Island, Cebu is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. And let's not forget the vibrant nightlife, the captivating marine life, and the mouth-watering local cuisine. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 12 activities you absolutely must try when in Cebu. Kicking off our countdown at number 12, we have the Basilica del Santo Niño. This revered site is a beacon of faith and history, nestled in the heart of Cebu City. It's home to the oldest religious relic in the Philippines, the Santo Niño de Cebu statue, dating back to the 16th century. Stepping inside, you're enveloped by a sense of tranquility that transcends time. A testament to the resilience of the Filipino spirit, the Basilica stands proud. A visit to Cebu would be incomplete without a stop at this iconic landmark. Up next, at number 11, we have Fort San Pedro. This charming fortification, located in the heart of Cebu City, is the oldest Spanish fort in the Philippines. Built in the 16th century, it's like taking a step back in time to the era of conquistadors and galleons. Inside, you'll find a captivating museum filled with historical artifacts and well-preserved remnants of the fort. And don't forget the beautifully manicured gardens, a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll. Steeped in history, this fort provides a fascinating glimpse into Cebu's past. Coming in at number 10, take a stroll through Magellan's Cross. This revered symbol, nestled in the heart of Cebu City, marks the spot where Christianity first took root in the Philippines. It's a captivating blend of culture and history, a reminder of a time when explorers charted new worlds. And though it's encased in Tindalo wood to protect it from the elements, its significance remains unshielded, resonating through the centuries. This historical artifact is a testament to Cebu's rich past. At number 9, immerse yourself in tranquility with a tour of the Cebu Taoist temple. An architectural marvel nestled amidst the bustling city, the temple is a testament to the rich Chinese influence in Cebu. Its intricate designs and peaceful ambience offer a moment of respite from the city's hustle and bustle. The temple's tranquil environment and visually striking pagodas provide an atmosphere perfect for meditation and reflection. This serene temple is a must-visit for anyone seeking a moment of tranquility amidst their travels. Halfway through our list, at number 6, we have Mactan Island. A shimmering gem in the heart of the Philippines, Mactan Island is the epitome of tropical paradise. Blessed with sun-kissed beaches that stretch out under azure skies, it's a place where the sand is as soft as powdered sugar, and the waters a mesmerizing blend of sapphire and turquoise. Mactan Island is not just about natural beauty, it's also home to some of the most luxurious resorts in the country. Imagine waking up to the soothing sound of waves, spending the day exploring the vibrant coral reefs, and enjoying a beachfront dinner under a canopy of stars. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But wait, there's more. The island is also steeped in history, with landmarks that tell tales of a time when Spanish galleons sailed these waters. For those seeking a relaxing getaway, with a dash of history and a large serving of luxury, Mactan Island is your perfect destination. Moving on to number 7, discover the Cebu Heritage Monument. Imagine a sculpture so detailed it tells 1,000 stories. Crafted from concrete, bronze and steel, it is a tableau of Cebu's colourful past. From the Battle of Mactan to the Spanish arrival, each scene unfolds in intricate detail. It's like flipping through a history book, but instead of words, it's told in stone. The monument is a testament to the city's resilience and rich heritage. This monument is a visual feast that encapsulates the city's rich history. At number 6, prepare to be blown away by the breathtaking views from the Tops Lookout. Perched high on Busay Hills, Tops Lookout offers you the most panoramic view of Cebu City. From here, the cityscape unfolds like a living canvas, with the azure sea and the sprawling city merging at the horizon. Beyond, the neighboring islands dot the sea like emeralds. At sunset, the city lights flicker to life, painting a mesmerizing tableau against the evening sky. This mesmerizing view is sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. Entering our top 5 at number 5, explore the Museo Sugbo. Journey through time as you wander through various exhibits meticulously curated to tell the story of Cebu. From pre-Spanish artifacts to American colonial memorabilia, every corner of this museum whispers tales of a rich and vibrant past. Don't miss out on the special gallery dedicated to the local hero, Lapu-Lapu. It's like a time capsule, each artifact a page from history's diary. This museum is a treasure trove for history buffs. At number 4, soak up the sun and enjoy the pristine beaches at Molbal. This gem on the southwestern coast of Cebu is a haven of turquoise waters and fine, sandy beaches. The sun seems to shine a little brighter here, casting a glow on the gentle waves that invite you for a refreshing dip. Molbal's beaches are a delightful escape, where the whispering breeze and swaying palms create a symphony of tranquility. This is the perfect spot for beach lovers. Coming in at number 3, we have the Temple of Leah. This architectural marvel, nestled in the Queen City of the South, is not just another pretty face. Constructed by a devoted husband in honor of his beloved wife, Leah, the temple's intricate design tells a tale of enduring love. Each corner, each stone echoes with the sentiment of unwavering dedication. A visit here is a journey into a love story, etched in stone. This temple is a testament to love and dedication. At number 2, experience the vibrant nightlife of Cebu. As the sun sets, the city lights up with lively bars and clubs pulsating with music and laughter. The city's streets transform into bustling food markets where local vendors serve up sizzling delicacies under the starry sky. From energetic dance floors to tranquil rooftop bars, Cebu offers a nightlife as diverse as its landscape. So whether you're a fan of heart-thumping beats or prefer a quiet nightcap, Cebu's nightlife is sure to leave you with unforgettable experiences. And finally, at number 1, snorkel with whale sharks in Oslob. Imagine the thrill of swimming alongside these gentle giants, their enormous size leaving you in awe. Oslob offers this unique opportunity, but remember, it's our responsibility to respect these majestic creatures. Keep a safe distance, don't touch, and absolutely no flash photography. It's about coexisting, not disturbing. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you will cherish forever. And there you have it, the top 12 activities to do in Cebu, Philippines. We've journeyed through the hallowed halls of the Basilica del Santo Niño, wandered the historic ramparts of Fort San Pedro, and traced the steps of history at Magellan's Cross. We've marveled at the Cebu Taoist temple, relaxed on the serene Mactan Island, and reflected on our heritage at the Cebu Heritage Monument. From the panoramic views at the Tops Lookout to the enlightening exhibits of Museo Sugbo and the sun-kissed beaches of Molbal, the city has offered us a treasure trove of experiences. We've also discovered the architectural marvel of the Temple of Leah and danced to the vibrant beats of the city's nightlife. And who could forget the thrilling encounter with the gentle giants of the sea at Oslob? Each of these places is a story, a memory waiting to be made. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you in the beautiful city of Cebu soon.